Guys, we're here in Menemsha on Martha's Vineyard. We just picked up some beautiful lobsters from the fishing vessel, the Merlin, captained by Chris Stein. And we're going to take these back to Vineyard Haven, and we're going to turn these into lobster bisque, lobster salad, and a composed lobster dish. That's what you want to see when the lobsters are nice and happy, nice and vibrant, alive. They're hard shells, which means they're packed full of meat, and we're super excited to cook these, and I'm super excited to show you how to break these down.
Hey everybody, it's Chris from Lanyap Cookery. Today it's lobster class. We've got a couple lobster here we just got from the boat. Chef Michael Rottman's going to teach you what to do to use the whole lobster as we make a couple dishes. Make sure you got a pot of water boiling because we're going to jump right into it.
Hi guys, I'm Michael Rottman. My friends call me Mikey. I'm a private chef on Martha's Vineyard, and we're here to talk about and cook lobsters, which are super local to Martha's Vineyard. We have some of the best seafood in the country. We picked these up from Chris Stein off the Merlin in Menemsha, which is a small fishing village in Chilmark on the island of Martha's Vineyard. So today I wanted to teach about how to break these lobsters down, and then how to use every single part of them to make sure that you optimize what you can do with just a couple lobsters. So today we're going to make a lobster bisque, we're going to make lobster rolls, and we're also going to do a composed, more of a refined French style lobster. I was lucky enough to work with Michael Brisson at L'Etoile in Edgartown, and this technique is based upon his restaurant, and I worked there for a number of years, and it's by far the best way that I've learned over the years to break down a lobster. So I'm excited to teach you about it, and let's get started. Pop them up here. If you want to use some parsley or dill or whatever on the plate, some edible flowers, you're more than welcome, but it's kind of a New England lobster salad. Classic, easy. And again, you're come right over. All the chefs I work for would be yelling at me for not using a ladle right now. It's fine. So I just did a little parsley, chive, scallion on top of this. If I had saved some lobster meat, didn't use it in the salad, I would have also dropped that in as well. If you have basil oil, you can kind of put that on top as well. That'd be a nice finish. So you want some of that love. Oops. Wily guy. Again, this is our beautiful bisques that we made with stock from the lobsters. This is a chilled lobster salad, and then we obviously have our composed lobster dinner with a beurre blanc, potato puree, zucchini, squash, tomato, some fresh herbs, and our lobster stock is in that as well. So I hope you're not intimidated by lobster anymore, because it's a lot of fun to work with, and happy cooking. Thank you so much.
I don't think I'm intimidated by lobster anymore. I just need to do the work myself.
Yes, exactly.
But thank you so much for teaching the class. Can't wait to dive in. Everyone, thanks for cooking along. Bye.
Bye, guys.